Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Chidema Crochet. Today we are going to learn how to crochet these beautiful sandals. Please watch this video step by step. Watch it to the end so that you can be able to make this exactly the way it is. I'll be making use of two blue and two black. Yeah, I've already thought on how to crochet on shoe sole to make exactly this design on shoe sole. So go check my channel, how to crochet female sandals. I made it with exactly blue and black thread. So check it, how to crochet on shoe sole. So I've already taken my measurements on this. I got my measurement from this first design. So here is for this one, here for this, here for this, here for this one, here for this. So the same thing this other side. Yeah, so I work like this and I have 16 stitches here. Yarn over, you make one chain on the first stitch, then on the remaining 15 stitches you work single crochet. So you work to the end here. Then you turn. So here I'm going to skip the first stitch, crochet on the next stitch. So work to the end here. You can see it. Then skip one stitch, crochet on the next. So I will continue reducing both ends until it remains 11 stitches. Yeah, you can see it. So I'm now on the 6th row and it's remaining 11 stitches. So here I'm going to maintain the stitches. Don't skip any stitch here. Continue working on the 11 stitches. So this is the 7th row. So after this row, you work more 2 rows, making it 9 rows. You can see it. Then you end. So I will start from here. Make your knot. Then you work 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then continue working on the 11 stitches, single crochet. Work to the end, then make another 5 chains. You can see it. Then you fix here. You make a slip stitch. Then on the next stitch, you make a single crochet. Then once you turn, you skip the 2 stitches on the sew. Then continue working on the 5 chains you made. Then continue working to the end here. That's it. Then after that, you work on the first 2 stitches of the sew. next stitch, single crochet, then you turn. So once you turn, you skip one stitch, crochet on the next. Walk to the end here. You can see it. Then crochet on the first two stitches of the sew. Then turn. So once you turn, you skip one stitch, crochet on the next. So I'm now on the third row. So walk to the end. Continue walking till you complete it 11 rows. Yeah, you can see it. So here we count out the 9 stitches from both sides. Then you work on 14 stitches. On the same stitch, you make a single crochet. So continue working till you work on 14 stitches. So continue till you complete it 14. Here you don't skip any stitch. Maintain the 14 stitches till you work 6 rows. 6 rows. Yeah, you can see it. So I will work the side one. Make a chain. On the same stitch, make a single crochet. Work to the end. Then you turn. So continue working till you work 6 rows. You can see it. So repeat the same thing this other side. You can see it. So then we are going to work the back one. Make one chain. Then on the next stitch, continue working single crochet. Work to the end here. You can see it. So you turn. Here I'm going to skip one stitch, crochet on the next. So this is the second row. On this second row, I now have 12 stitches. So we are going to maintain that 12 stitches until we complete it 10 rows. So you make more 8 rows. That's it. So here I'm going to work the round belt. The round belt. You make a knot, then work 12 chains. That's it. Then you continue working single crochet from here. Work to the end here. That's it. Then you work 4 chains. Then fix here. Continue working single crochet. Then work to the end. Then make 2 chains. Then continue working single crochet here. Work to the end. That's it. Then make another 2 chains. Then work to the end. Then work 3 chains. Then skip 1, crochet on the next. So you work to the end here. Continue working till you work 4 rows. 4 rows. That's it. So here I'm going to fix my buckle here. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, this is the final stage. So if you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share. Thank you. Bye.